Digital printing, I mean, I don't think most of my peers even think about it as digital printing. What they think of about it is inventoryless publishing. The savings we got from essentially not being in the inventory and tying up capital, as Marco said, was just huge. And quite frankly, again, almost just the people transactional issues of how many copies and where is it and what warehouse, that was a huge savings.
Rolling up all the impact at the warehouse and the distribution. If you're going to sell digital internally to your company, you have to bring those costs into it. Otherwise, if you just look at straight manufacturing cost, you will have people to be able to say, it's too expensive per unit. You have to bring all aspects of that in order to be able to justify it.
We see really ebooks as a way for our authors to get at least a preview out to their customers and then get them interested to do print. And that's really the main reason we got into the business. Where's the right place for the content? Is it, should it be digital or should it be ebook? Should it be printed? We think there's a lot of things that should be consumed and they should be electronic with news, that kind of thing. Research to a certain point, as you guys have talked about. People that read for pleasure, they want paper books. And I think we found also that you're seeing the research out there now that backs that up. All that to say, everything we do is to really drive the printed product because we believe in sort of the beauty and the craft of bookmaking. So we offer the tools the authors need, but we really want to drive things to print as much as we can.
From an educational perspective, we want to deliver content, and for us, it's whichever way the customers, whichever way the educators want it. We're not trying to sell you a book. We're not trying to sell you an e-version. We're trying to sell you what you think or what your district thinks is best in the classroom. So when I talked earlier about a hybrid strategy, there's a lot of things where a lot of programs where we started developing where we would have the e-version, but you also had consumable-based stuff to go next to it, print items to go with it. So from our perspective, it was doing whatever the customer was looking for. We weren't trying to push them in any which way. We were just trying to make the best experience for them possible.